So this has been circling my mind for the last couple of weeks, and I just want to share it with you as it's been coming to me. John 15 verse 5. Yes, I am the vine, you are the branches. Those who remain in me and I in them will produce much fruit. For apart from me, you can do nothing. And honestly, this is the heart of Bloom. Like, when I sit with it, when I really think about what Bloom is, it's this. It's remaining, it's staying connected to God, it's not striving, it's not forcing, it's not trying to make everything happen in my own strength, but actually staying close to Him and allowing the fruit to come from that place. And the thing is, I'm seeing the fruit. The creativity has been pouring out of me. Ideas just come like fully formed, and I know I need to act on them, develop them, follow them through. But at the same time, if I'm honest, there's been a tension, because part of me is like, I need to focus on making money. I need to provide for my child. I need to pay my mortgage. I have very real bills that I need to pay. I need to push. I need to make things happen. And I'm such an entrepreneur, and I've been working for myself for coming close to 2 decades, and I know how to go out there and make things happen. But yet I keep feeling like God is drawing me back to Him, back to nurturing and back to the kingdom. And when I go off on a tangent and start building and creating different things that are going to attract more opportunities for income, I feel like God's just slowly redirecting me back to the kingdom work and encouraging me to not to worry about the provision side of things, like He's got that. And so I'm now just really leaning into that and really going, okay, Lord, like, you know what my bills are, you know what I need. So if you're saying to me, focus on the kingdom stuff, don't worry about the money, then fine, I'll do that. Because everything within me is like, I want to be rich. I want to be a millionaire. I want to be financially free. I don't want to have to worry and strive and be constantly wondering how certain things are getting paid. I just want, and I know I can do it. I know it's within me to have that financial freedom. But the call to focus on the kingdom is stronger. I've been focusing on the kingdom things. I've written several books. I'm even amazed about how many have come out of me. And they just come through my personal study with Him, time reflecting, time of quiet. All of a sudden, I get these downloads and this feeling of, this is urgent, this is important, you have to do this right now. So I'll often stay up until like 4 a.m. working on something that I'm really inspired to do, and cannot seem to rest until I push it over the finish line. I literally had a week like that the last couple of weeks, where I've been working on several ideas for several months, and I had this feeling of, I need to finish them so that I can completely focus on the Bloom live experience and all the creative things that need my energy right now. But having these unfinished things in the background were just sort of quietly sapping my energy, so I had to focus and get it done. And they're all kingdom focused things, and they're really going to bless and encourage anyone that connects with them. This is what God's been calling me to do. This is the desire that He's put in my heart. These are the ideas that He's been flooding me with. So I'm just going along with the flow and just doing what I'm called to do and being obedient to that. Even though many times my flesh wants me to just go off and just go and make money and go and do the most productive thing that's going to earn the most. But God's like, no, it's not about that. It's about my kingdom. I will take care of you. I will provide. You just focus on doing what I've put in your heart and what I've put in your mind to do, and I'll take care of the rest. That's where I feel like I'm at the moment. So Bloom is my focus. In my quiet time today, I was meditating on John 15, and one of the verses that jumped out at me was, you didn't choose me, I chose you. I appointed you to go and produce lasting fruit. And that's what's grounding me. And maybe the fruit I'm looking for isn't immediate. Maybe it's not going to be financial. Maybe it's actually eternal. So this is where I've landed with it all. This is my heart for Bloom, to encourage people to connect deeply with God, with their whole heart. Everything that I've been writing, producing, and being creatively called to do has had this theme of really being connected to God, to being surrendered to God. In my songwriting, in my book writing, that is the theme, to be fully surrendered, nothing held back, to let go and let God, to actually trust Him and see what He does. Because honestly, that's the best thing that you, that me, that anyone could ever do. It's the best decision that you will ever make. This is what I'm teaching my son, to be more concerned with what God thinks, to be more concerned with what God's purpose is for his life, to be more concerned with making sure he puts time aside and spends quality time with God, because that's the most important thing that he can do, is to make sure he's in alignment with God, because everything will flow from that. There is safety in his presence. There is peace in surrender. And I know this to be true since I completely surrendered my life back to Jesus. It truly is the best decision that I ever made. I don't have to do everything myself. I don't have to carry everything alone. He's got me. And that's what my song Bloom is about. Bloom didn't just start as a song, actually. It started as quiet time with God. Me studying the scriptures and just enjoying every word I was reading. Then the song came. Then the devotional came. Then the guided journal came. And now I'm working on the live music experience. All of these ideas are completely inspired by the Holy Spirit and just my time with God. And I pray that some or all of what I have shared today has been a blessing. If any of this resonated with you, I've put together a free 3-day Bloom journey in the description. Click the link, scroll down, and just simply click yes, I want to receive my free gift. And then if you want to go deeper after that, you can explore the rest, the music, the devotional, and the live experience. There's no pressure though, it's just an invitation. This is the Heavenly Minded Studio podcast hosted by Tashara, Forrest. I pray that this episode has been a blessing. Remember to head down to the description and grab your free 3-day Bloom reset. If you enjoyed today's reflection, please feel free to explore our other episodes. God bless.